Hi, this is Evan,
And this is Tristan.
and we're going to show you how to solve a triangle using the law of cosines and the law of sines.
This is our triangle, which you can see has side length of 12 units, side length of 16 units, and side length of 18 units. This is known as a side-side-side triangle, so we must use the law of cosines to solve for one angle. This is the law of cosines, which states that side length c squared is equal to side length a squared plus side length b squared minus 2 times side length a times side length b times the cosine of angle c.
In this case, angle C is across from side length C, angle B is across from side length B, and angle A is across from side length A. We will start with solving for angle C in order to avoid the ambiguous case where angle C could either equal an acute angle or an obtuse angle. We plug in the values for side length A, side length B, and side length C so that we get 18 squared equals 16 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 16 times 12 times cosine of C. By simplifying, we see that 18 squared equals 324, 16 squared equals 256, 12 squared equals 144, and 2 times 16 times 12 equals 384. We will add 256 plus 144 to get 400, and then subtract that value from both sides, so that negative 76 equals negative 384 times cosine of C. We will then divide negative 384 by both sides, and then reduce the fraction to 19 in the numerator and 96 in the denominator. And then we will find the arc cosine of 19 over 96, and that will be angle C. And then we will round the irrational number to the 10th place so that C equals 78.6 degrees.
Now that we have one side length and one angle across from that side length, we can use the law of sines to solve the rest of the triangle. The law of sines states that sine of angle A over the side length of A is equal to sine of angle B over the side length B is equal to sine of angle C over the side length of C. Or it can be flipped around, where side length A is in the numerator and sine of angle A is in the denominator, is equal to side length B over sine of angle B is equal to side length C over sine of angle C. We can choose either angle B or angle A to solve next. We chose angle B, so we're going to use sine of angle B over B is equal to sine of angle C over C, because we know both angle C and side length C. We plug in our values to get sine of angle B divided by 12 is equal to sine of 78.6 degrees divided by 18. We multiply 12 by both sides to get sine of angle B isolated. Then we take the arc sine of 12 times 78.6 degrees divided by 18, and that will give us the value for angle B. So B is equal to an irrational number starting 40.80, and we round angles to the 10th place, so B is equal to 40.8 degrees.
Because all triangles have 180 degrees, we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. We can then plug in the values for angle B and angle C so that angle A plus 48.8 degrees plus 78.6 degrees equals 180 degrees. And then subtract 40.8 degrees and 78.6 degrees from both sides so that angle A equals 60.6 degrees. We have now solved the triangle.
We had a good time today, and we hope you did too.